Before we begin, please review the following safety precautions. During operation, if severe abnormal noise, collision, or any risk of loss of control occurs, immediately press the emergency stop button on the software interface or on the machine. When adjusting screws or manually moving the axis, always proceed slowly and steadily. Do not apply excessive force, as this may cause thread stripping or damage to precision components. If any abnormal behavior occurs, or if a fault cannot be properly identified, stop operation immediately and contact the manufacturer for technical support. This phase is critical to print quality and ensures the geometric flatness between the print head and the build platform. Dual Z-axis leveling ensures that the left and right Z-axis lead screws supporting the gantry are at the same height. To begin, click Z plus 10 to lower the platform. Then, insert the Z-axis gauge blocks into the gaps on both sides of the platform. Next, perform the clamping test. Click Z minus 0.1 or Z minus 0.01 to slowly lower the platform. While lowering, slide both gauge blocks forward and backward until resistance, or clamping, is felt on one side. For adjustment, turn off the machine to release motor torque. Then perform manual synchronization. Manually rotate the Z-axis lead screw on the looser side until the sliding resistance of both gauge blocks feels the same. After adjustment, restore power by powering on the machine and reconnecting the software. Finally, click Z plus 10 to lower the platform and remove the gauge blocks. Next is 5-point platform leveling. Use a feeler gauge to adjust the platform height at 4 corners, ensuring a uniform gap across the entire surface. During operation, slide the gauge gently using only light finger pressure. Do not force it in. Do not rest your hands on the platform to avoid applying extra load that may affect calibration accuracy. Before calibration, apply the release film to the platform. Perform homing by ensuring there is no residue on the nozzle, then click Home All. Now proceed with the calibration procedure. For center point calibration, click Z plus 1 to increase the gap, then move the nozzle to the center of the platform using the XY controls. Insert the feeler gauge and click Z minus 0.01 to gradually reduce the gap. Continue sliding the gauge until it can no longer be inserted or clear resistance is felt. At this point, the Z-coordinate shown in the software should be 0.05, with a tolerance of plus or minus 0.03. If the value is outside the tolerance range, adjust all 4 corner screws by the same amount until the standard is met. Next, perform 4-corner leveling. Move the nozzle sequentially to the 4 corner positions located at X plus or minus 50 and Y plus or minus 50 from the center point. Check that the Z-axis coordinate at each point is 0.05, with a tolerance of plus or minus 0.03, and that the resistance of the feeler gauge feels consistent. If an error is observed, perform adjustment as needed. When the adjustment direction is clockwise, tightening the screw will lower the platform and increase the gap. This applies when the gauge is stuck and cannot move. When the adjustment direction is counterclockwise, loosening the screw will raise the platform and decrease the gap. This applies when the gauge is too loose, with no resistance. For reconfirmation, repeat the inspection cycle for all 4 points 2 to 3 times until consistent leveling is achieved at every position.